development of EEPROM. Firstly, it was invented by Mr. Wen Tsing Chow in 1956, and this PROM, programmable ROM memory, could be programmed only once throughout its lifespan. So this was the major drawback, that this memory cannot be erased. So to overcome from this issue, Mr. Dov Froman invented erasable programmable ROM memory in 1971. And this memory could be erased with the help of UV light, and this process takes almost half an hour to 1 hour, which was the major drawback here. So to overcome from that issue, Mr. Fuji Masuoka developed electrically erasable programmable ROM memory, and he is known for inventor of flash memory. In his invention, avalanche hot carrier injection were used. Later further development happened in 1977 by Mr. Harari, and he used Fallard-Nordam tunneling method, which became very famous, and till now we are using this Fallard-Nordam tunneling method. There was a problem that an extra voltage source were required of 20 to 22 volt to erase the memory. So later in 1981, this requirement was completely removed by Mr. Parlagus, and he proposed charge pump mechanism to achieve higher voltage inside the EEPROM itself, which we are using till date now.